Hello and welcome to today's free trading video and market analysis. I'm your host, Kenny, Senior Research Analyst with the MiniAnalyst.com. The first thing we're looking at here is a chart of the market. This is the mini S&P 500 futures contract and front month in nature. Let's see if we can center that a little bit. What we're looking at here is our underlying indicators suggesting to us where the market is likely to hold. If you can look, this is Friday. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, if you can look, we start to see some acceleration or some deceleration, I should say, in our primary indicator suggesting bearishness here, although decelerating in terms of bearishness. And we also see an ascent right here going into Wednesday. So as you can see, much like any histogram, once the trend starts moving higher, a deceleration, you might expect to get a move in that direction. As you can see, we did get a meteoric move on Thursday, to which we were able to participate nicely and handsomely in the profit column in terms of our portfolios, and we'll look at that in a second. But today is Friday. It's been kind of a choppy day Friday. Again, 80% of your profits are made on 20% of the old 80-20 rule. 20% of the trading days, and yesterday was no exception. It's actually been kind of a choppy day. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday were kind of flat for us, as we'll look at it in a second. But as you can see, definitely bullish, a little bit of bearishness there, but the trend was certainly toward the bulls. And then once we hit the opening session, as you can see right there, it was full bullishness, green bars. We'll actually accelerate or zoom in, I should say, a little bit on the session above the trend, full green bars right there, and as you can see, the market just blasted higher in what was a very impressive move. Why did it blast higher? We'll look at that in a second on the daily chart. But as you can see, a bit of a divergence here in the early session, full out bears, no bullishness here, moderate bullishness there, bearish, descending right there. We get the retest of the trend, and actually it moves lower. However, wasn't able to stick. This was just a simple fib retracement right here, 62.50. Boom, off to the races, back to the upside to test yesterday's highs, the 75 level. Why is the market going higher? Why did it break out? Well, we can look at the, wow, look at that. That is our ES Day Trader 1.0. This is one half of the dual day trader. Sorry to get off on a tangent, but very impressive winner, very impressive winner. Actually, had another long today, believe it or not. But look at that move, 955 to 975. We'll call it just shy and just shy. This is one half of the dual day trader ES, which you can, as you'll see in a second, put up, I think, about a 32% gain yesterday. Actually, we can just go ahead and minimize this. 32% gain primarily. That was one half, and here was the other. Here's the other half. This is our grind system. Goes long at 960, 15-point gain in the ES, 20-point gain in the ES Day Trader 1.0. 35 points means 32% was the return. But let's get back on to track, shall we? And we'll just look at a daily chart of the market. Why is the market breaking out? Well, we had moved back to neutral, but definitely mentioned, for our intents and purposes, from a non-official bias, from a discretionary bias, reclaiming this key 900 level, both in roundness, psychological significance, horizontal significance, as well as trend following, was definitely a precursor to what we expected and anticipated would be a move back to official bullish for our official bias standing, and that's exactly what happened. Once we broke above 960, that was all that bullishness. We actually got to a high of 959.83 on the day prior on Wednesday, but kind of just trailing higher. Boom, we get the explosion, kind of like a magnet towards the highs right now. Definitely a nice, very impressive move that we've seen in the market. Actually haven't been convincingly above the market, above the 200 exponential period moving average in quite some time. Probably have to go back to 07 or 06. But just a very impressive and move for the market to reclaim this, and this of course moving officially bullish here. This was just a 100-point gain. Overall, everyone likes a market that's going higher, as do we. Although we're traders, we can have it in any direction. It is nice to see the market reclaiming some very key and significant resistance levels. So from a directional movement perspective, also short-term and intermediate-term support on the bulls, intermediate-term as well as short-term in terms of momentum. All the price technicals, the trends are fully bullish, so definitely a nice time to be long in the market. How our new day traders doing? We'll look at our existing, but how our new day traders doing? Ooh, nice moves there. Caught a nice long today. This is actually a swing trader. Again, we haven't fixed it yet, but day trader, swing trader 18, we'll call it. Definitely participating in a very nice long from 65 to 75. Nice 10-point move there. Catching the lion's share of the move. This is a 5-minute chart. Very impressive system, catching almost the whole of the move yesterday. Day trader 17. This is actually a 20-minute chart. Totally non-correlated, also catching the moves. A lot of our stuff is geared towards obviously catching the whole of these moves and getting out, as you can see right here, before the market corrects. So definitely some very impressive winners have been put up in these systems, as you can see. And actually a few little choppy winners there, for the day trader 12.0. Those are our new batch. I actually don't include those, but still here's the day trader 5.0 putting up the massive gains, as you can see, for this month. The day trader 5.0, which is one half of the dual day trader DS. And as you can see, here's the 9-day performance. Well, we'll just look at yesterday's performance. Here's Monday. Again, kind of a mixed picture. A lot of our portfolios chopping around. Tuesday was a plus day. MapDT, venerable MapDT, always in the leader. It just gets boring talking about the MapDT is always in the lead. The original MapDT, this is the original portfolio. Comprised of our most diversified day trading models, geared toward aggressiveness. A little bit of giving back on Wednesday. The only profitable portfolio was the dual day trader ES. But then Thursday, again, the 80-20 rule, dual day trader ES puts up an astounding 32% return in just one day, $1,600 per $5,000 unit. The margin, of course, is really under $1,000, but we recommend you start with $5,000, trade $5,000 per unit, and as you can see, the moves are impressive. The MapDT always right there in the leaderboard, 1, 2, or 3 spot, 22%. Actually happened to be 2 yesterday for the big move higher. 42 or the 9-day percentage return. Leading the pack is the MapDT, 74% over the last 9 days. The month of July, 16 trading days, 95% for the dual day trader ES. As you saw just a second ago, the one half of the dual day trader DS is the Dow Day Trader 5.0, and just putting up amazing trades for the month of July, really going into our best half of the year. March, April, May, June, all the way to December is definitely the best time to get involved. We're thinking about doing a special. Not sure if we're going to do that right now, but you can definitely save 20% on most of these portfolios. Not the dual day traders or anything like that, but anything with a MapDT, MapDTS, MapDT Original, you could save 20%. It's not going to be written, I don't believe, just since you're watching this video. Just those who are watching this video, you can enter promo code VIDEO right now, and you can save 20% on any of these portfolios. But as you can see, 95% for the month of July, going out over a couple of months, 2 trading months actually. An astounding. The dual day trader ES continues to, after putting up that huge run, be the leader at 180% return. MapDT with a very impressive 171%. The dual day trader DS has really made up a lot of ground with the 145% return. But all you have to do is go to the website, MapDTS version 5.0, click refresh, and you'll get the MapDTS version 3.0. Well, you should be able to just add either one of those to the cart, for example. Click on that, add to cart, and then just enter promo code VIDEO, and you will save an extra 20%. Actually, the promo code's already been entered. We'll do it real quick. And there you go. You can save 20% on all the purchase of MapDT that you're interested in. Go to the website, chat with the support team live. If you have any questions, shoot us an email to admin@MiniAnalyst.com. We hope another great week in the books. Hope you've enjoyed it, and we will see you next time.